Muraho, welcome again to our channel today. We'll be looking at expressions, basic expressions, and there are a few conjugations as well to help you navigate simple conversations. And then
verbs.
Go ahead.
The conjugations are for verbs to help you conjugate and use the right verb or the right form of the verb in different circumstances.
Okay, yeah. Why don't you go ahead and start? What do you want to learn today?
Okay, so today we're just kind of learn how to start conversations and, as he said, the basic expressions. So, for example, one of the best ways that something you typically would ask someone literally every day is, how have you been, or how are you? And basically, there's this most simple way to say it is amakuru. And this translates to directly, the direct translation is, what's the news? But if you're trying to say, how are you, or amakuru is going to work in almost any circumstance.
Yeah, so also when friends meet each other, let's say after a long time, they would say, there is a specific word they would say. What is that?
Minchi?
Yeah, they say iminsi mienshi.
Minchi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So your long time no see is iminsi mienshi. And then a literal translation would be many days, basically. But that you will never someone say, oh, many days. No, you say long time no see. And then
long time since I saw you kind of thing.
Something like that. And iminsi mienshi. And somebody knows that you're telling them, oh, it's been a long time without meeting you. Yep.
All right. Another question that you might ask someone is, what are you doing today? Or what are your plans for the day? But we're going to start with, what are you doing today? And that is urakora iki uyo munsi.
Okay, you can go ahead and repeat that again. Urakora
iki
uyu
munsi.
That's what are you doing today? And the next one will be,
what are your plans today? Which very similar, just slightly different.
ube ufite izihe gahunda?
Okay. So yeah, what are your plans today? Ufite izihe gahunda.
Yep. Plans literally gahunda.
Gahunda.
Yeah. And then why don't we just keep going and see?
All right. Ask someone if they're hungry. So you say, I'm hungry. How about you? Or what about you? Ndashonje naho wowe.
Yeah, exactly. Ndashonje naho wowe.
I'm hungry. How about you?
And I burp. Okay. So, and you going in a restaurant, so you want to be polite and ask for something to eat. I will say, I want, and then how would you say that?
I want, or I would like this and this. You start with nshaka.
Yep.
That's I want.
It's more direct in Chaka, and you would add food. And
or water, or I want the sandwich, or
food is ibiryo. How would you say I want food then?
Nchaka ibiryo.
Ibiryo.
I'm not saying that right. Say it again.
Chaka ibiryo.
Ibiryo.
Okay, yeah.
Ibiryo. Nchaka ibiryo.
Ibiryo. Okay, yeah, it's down here.
Yeah.
And then to the next one, you asking someone what their favorite thing, their favorite animal, book, subject, or hobby. What is the word would you use to ask someone their favorite food?
Ukunda ihe